Welcome to Annotto Bay, St. Mary. Boom. We are in Annotto Bay right now. We are approaching the town, right? We are approaching Annotto Bay town center. So look at the waves. Oh wow, amazing, right? I can't believe the weather, the sky blue. Look at the sky now. We have the cold front and it was raining so much. And all of a sudden the sky blue again. It's just because I came out here. If I didn't come out here, the sun wouldn't be shining like this. Hey! See your time to shine. Bona, bust up now, bust up now. Yeah. And, hello! We have one more location to go to, Port Maria. Below you we are today. Yeah man, I mean, I pass through, I just start. Yeah man, that is it, I just move man. You got better, I pass through home.
One Jamaican Superman like that.
That is it.
The man applaud, you know, pick him up. Go on there and think, yeah,
oh no, big up here, me G. Yeah. Oh. One. Tell me you're ready. Tell me you're ready, you know. My watch gone. Come here. Watch the dog go up so. Watch out. See dog up on the building. Watch it. Here. Are you a spider? Watch the dog. Yeah, dog. Are you a spider? You see him over there, so? The dog there. We up our own place. Yeah. Yeah. You feel look dog, you don't look over. You see dog about to flick. What you mean? You're a joke, what? I don't care about it. You're not vigilant, dog. You're not vigilant. The dog missed the flip, guys. There's a guy on the roof. There's a guy on the roof just bust a flip a while ago. The cameraman missed it, guys. Now, sir, my life then done. Bro God, me use off all of my life them already. And one left. The top 10 rich now, dog. Yeah, one left. One life. Yeah. Yeah. This never look like it's set good. Me not go funny. Man, pop off the feet, look at this weak, man. Weak. Nah, me not go panic, man. Nah, man. See, man, them are the work. You mad? We are now in Annotto Bay Square, basically. Yeah, so come check it out. Power. Oh my! Them dead! Hey, yes man. What do you call me? Me I come, mommy. Me I come. Me I come. Me I come. Me I come. Oh. Oh.
People them now get to want to meet Spiderman.
See that, big up, Mr. Anansi.
Hey, Dan.
See that,
Big up yourself. That is it. That is it. Make a more fun. What
That is it.
That is it. The outside. Oh. Active. What me all about? Say that again, Wala. Me not hear you good. Oh, no relation. No relation. So basically I do TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all of these things, social media. So I really I show people them all parishes of Jamaica. I did Portland first, now me I do St. Mary. So oh my.
Spiderman.
So I not really I go on, is it? The people I get to know in the hometown, you know I go? No, yeah, you have a feel. Me look good, you know? You're not gonna believe it.
Look here now.
No, I can't do that. Spider not show his face. No, well, if anything you want to call me, my friend. Anything you want to call me. A Jamaica this. Anything you want to call me. I just say go. No, just go on. Don't worry yourself. Go on your phone and search for Jamaican Spiderman. Zane, and you will see me. No, I'm not climbing a wall. You can boost a flick for you. You want boost a flick for you? Want boost a flick for you?
Take off the mask.
Ready? You can dance for you? Anything. Anything. Dance for song? Go so. Go so. Who want to clash me? Who want to clash me? Who next? Call him now. Whoever we want, call him. Guys, we are get a clash. We are get a clash. Are you afraid? I'm ready, you know. When there? Jamaican Spiderman. Yeah, we find it. You have to search it on the internet. You will see it, man. You will see it. Believe me. Me cute, bad. Yeah, let me do it flick. No problem. Ready? Amazing. You see that? Perfect. No. Have it. Over yourself.
Come down, ready.
Boss enough. Go on.
Here comes Spiderman. Turn around, Here comes the Spiderman. Spiderman. Let out the weapon then. Spiderman. Grab the Spiderman, catch the Spiderman.
Grab him and catch him and kick him so.
Spiderman.
Hey,
Spider.
afraid him a run. I don't run, I go, afraid of me. Rush them now, rush them, man. Her. Big up on yourself. Yeah, thank you. Alright, let's go. Easy thing that, bro. I tell you, a baby move them there. Yes, mom. They even know what to go. Yeah. If you show what I go on, man, you don't show what I go on. Again. Active, man. Alright. Huh? I'm not here, yo. Boss two? And two we just do. That's it, but one more. Yeah, me bust one, you bust one. No, you have to do it first. We just the two. Give me one now. Yeah, big boy. You dog, serious. Oh, watch out now, watch out now. Already ready for defeat, you know, watch out. And then, you know, fully active enough for G. Hey, hey. Big up yourself for G. Advice, man, advice, man. We just a good stuff. Alright, alright. Yeah. That's it. Again. Yeah. Have it, man. Bro, something like a movie. Have it, man. Easy thing that for me, dog. Oh, turn it off. And then, hey. Get out. Oh. Activity. Come on. Hello.
That's so funny. Hello, don't let them relate us.
Anyways, let's go. We get my good side. Nice. Respect. Good enough for that. Easy. Calm down, man. Calm down, man. Easy, man. Oh, you know a challenge. Oh, you know, I try to get a challenger. Come on, I'm going to take off my mark. Try to get a challenger. I know what you want. Yo, stay over there, so. Stay over that side there. Yeah. Yeah, my dog. Yeah, my dog. Alright, watch me now. Wait. What second one you do? Yo. What second one you do? Me never see. Front flip. Oh. There. Active, easy. One. Around there. Come now. Yeah. Alright. Oh yeah, set up there, sir. Alright. How are you in there? In done already? They can't go no more. Watch out. Watch out, my dog. Come now. How in there? How in what? He stopped already. Come and just start. How many second move that?
Spider. Keep walk up there. I'm falling lip.
Hey. Give one more.
Keep one more. Keep one more. Right there.
What's that one, Yamada? What's that one?
Yeah, I got
Come now, Yamada. How much? That's easy something. Tell him do it again. I will 5 sitting with do a while ago. Tell him do it again. Do it again. I'm going to show him how it's done. Do it again.
Yeah, man, you do it now.
Cameraman, watch it now. Easy.
One
Easy.
cover station. Spiderman,
Hold on, I'm going to take off my mask. Hold on, I'm going to take off the mask.
take off your mask.
Hold on. I'm mask, I'm in the back, you know. You ready? Show you. It's like some kind of like an easy flick. Let's watch that car there for me up there. So.
I'm one of the people who have like a pool like a pool.
I like a flicky dog did I talk about, you know. Come here, I went there. I went there. It stopped. Come now. Come here now. I eat that. Eh? Start. Here now, big up yourself. Here. Identify. See him. Eh? Yeah, Black Panther hard. He walk here now still. That is. I want them to do. Follow me. That is it. I'll start back in Port Maria. We are ready to touch down in Port Maria. Super. Then, when you open the sky, dog. High, in the sky, we are fly high. For them decoration, they favor me. The decoration, they favor me, you know. Watch that. Watch that. Same thing, no. A real spider that, you know. Yeah, man, a real spider that, believe, no? See the dog just they up on it, it's up a place just a chill. Just balance so and a sleep, you know. How him balance and sleep on there? You have to give me one first. If you give me something, even if an easy one, we do it right now. If you give me an easy one, we do it. Come here now. I found man. You take my time. What? I'm a Christian. I believe I can fly. Believe in yourself. That is it. Respect. Yeah, you pass through the hometown, see? Yeah, man.
One more.
Hello. Oh, you know, see what me I go on with? Something to do it again. I can do it like 100 times. Yeah, but I'm happy about it. I love it. The girls love it. Even you love it, and I know it. Watch my six pack. Lord have mercy. Yeah, man. You never see it. Something do it for you. Do it for you. All right. No problem. No problem. Amazing. Point. Oh, get in there. Look at me. Let's move it. Hey. Come here. Come here. Come here. I like your hat. I like your hat. It has the same color as me. I like your hat. Come. I like your hat. Nice. Who made that hat for you? Huh? Hey. Yeah? Come here. Come here.
You want to see jump on the leg boy
Oh my, that's a JPS work. Tell him pay me first. Oh, oh, easy. I said, go up on the wall. Yeah. What's a back flick? One back flick. Hold on. No, Anansi this dog. Anansi now have whip dog. Anansi now have whip dog. I'm telling you, man. Let me give you a landing too. Tall enough. Hempdale. Hey, hold on, man. Oh, mad guy then there. I am that in I blue. She said she want one Birkin bag. I'm doing one. Hey. Yeah. Let's see it. She's gonna move out the area. Look how far I'm there. I want the cameraman. What am I do? Come on. I see it coming up. I spy the sense that. I just know that she's going to run. So I run first. There, man. Step back. Yeah? Hold on, man. We are waiting for the place clear up. Hold on. If a decent people pass, I don't want, you know? Yeah. Alright, watch out now. Ready? My dog! Yeah, see that? Active, no. Oh, you want to see again? Okay. Active. Actually, keep up my mistake. Hello. Hi. What's going on? We don't have time the wall, you know. Don't have time now. Where? That's it. yeah. Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Good. Ah, Joe, come on. Ah, Joe, come on. Come in.
Jump over this.
Who is it?
Over that.
Crazy man. Jaja. Eh? No man, the JPS work that. But me not get JPS pay. If me not get JPS pay, me would do it. Me a Anansi dog, different. Yeah, me a wait for my picture them, I see it. Mm-hmm. Then what me to? Oh, okay. Alright, this one is my guy. Active. Oh, shy one. Okay, I see. It happens. I was you one time, and then I turned Spiderman. You just as close to me, you know, looking a green too. We are the same color. Okay. Active general. Let's go. Damage. To the drum, yeah man. To the gram, let's do it. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Anything for the gram. Not anything, but something. Something. Yeah. Yeah.
Like Spiderman for the plot.
For the plot.
For the plot.
Yeah.
For the plot. Chicken for the plot. Spiderman, enjoy your
Thank you very much. Same to you, man. No, come closer. Come closer. These and peas are Jamaica. Jamaica flag. You see it? Look. Red, green, and gold. This has nothing to do with politics. We know the politics, eh? Yeah, no. Oh. Yeah. Let me sit, man.
I'm not video. Spiderman, man.
She go for another fan, oh my god. You're fighting too easy, man. Why are you fighting so fast? She fighting too easy, man. Don't worry yourself, man. She worried for me. She feared me drop, but that never happened. Don't worry yourself. 360. They are one part of one place. Put my post office right there, so. Is it? Yes. We just came from St. Mary. You can see it's a St. Mary right there. Yep. Yeah, that's where we are right now. Come, let's go. Hello. Active, yeah. Me escape from a zoo. I'm a wild animal. Yeah, big up yourself.
Spiderman.
Yes, sir.
And I'm Superman.
That is it. Soup! Look at this view, guys. This is nice. This is actually really nice. The only thing not beautiful about this place, too much garbage. So I don't, sure up the line. Slowly. Yeah. I don't appreciate the whole heap of garbage thing. But look at the view. Isn't it a nice view? And continuing that way, if you continue that way, then you go to Ocherius, guys. Yeah? If you continue that way, it's Ocherius. Yeah. Oh! I am blessed every day of my life. I am blessed when I wake up in the morning. The boy are like, what are that boy? Who that? And I lay my head to rest every day of my life. I am blessed. Me say me love y'all straight, make money straight, bro, not bad straight. Hey. Anyways, we're not scalability. We're going to all parishes. We're going to all parishes of Jamaica. So you have to follow the page and stay tuned for more. This is my second parish. We did Fort Antonio, go watch that video on YouTube. And now we're doing Fort Maria. And we already did Annotto Bay earlier. Let's go. How are you run for? Don't run, come closer. Never run. You don't have to save you, don't worry yourself, mom. You're too young. Yeah?
Alright!
What's up? See that sit here? Bigger. I know. You see it? Active. You have to good like that. And that's how you get the girl them. You see it? That's how you do it. If you don't have confidence, you don't have nothing. You hear that, me Jay? Tell them that. Parish.
What take place as a accident? Jump up and steal him.
You're mad. This man we want to see a danger idea. One life we have left in the dog.
Make sure you know.
You use all of them already, bro. I see. That is it. St. Mary Music Wall. I did not know that St. Mary have a music wall. For that. I did not know that they had a music wall here. I didn't know that we have a St. Mary music wall. We got, who is this? Capleton, Parish Harman, Tanya. I don't know that name there, but yeah, I never go try. Josie Wales, me see also. Desmond, who this? Marianne, Admiral. Yeah, this is some more people out there, sir. This is some more people right there, sir. St. Mary in the theater. Yeah, there's some people here. We all know this one. I'm not sure about this lady right here. I'm not sure. Vereen. But you have Oliver Samuels, you see here, so Clive, Zane, Active, Terry, I saw Dion. Yeah. Them people, yeah. Yeah, I don't know some of them, but yeah. I'm gonna go over here. Iconic spot. Well, they don't want us to video over here. Obviously, they say they don't want video, so I'm not gonna go over there. But you can't see it. Yeah, the rule says no video, and I'm not even gonna go over there because me can't mother. Yeah. Oh, this is a market. Oh, me finish with a market. This is Port Maria Market. So yeah, this yeah. You see what I got? Yeah. Yeah, man. Huh? So come over here, so. All right. Well, here's the market.
See market, yeah.
Ah, where's Starlet? So where's Starlet?
One papa.
Alright. Peter. See we there, so what's your boss name? Dada. You see it, so when you follow you, so invite me, so you know if you follow the Fort Maria, this time man right here, so. See? That is it. And watch out, we must have flick for Dada same time. Go over there, so. Let's show you. Step back little, please. Ready, Dada, watch out. Yes, I mean, I real Dada out here too, you know. Active here. Yeah, man, bless everybody. So, Port Maria Market. Yeah?
Port Maria.
That is it. We can support the people then. Yeah. Yeah. Up here, kid. Yeah, man, you know. We are promoting the place. We are promoting the place, that's it. That is it. I mean, I really get it, dog. Militant. Hold on. Make sure the place clear. Hold on, man. If we make sure the place clear now. How is the thing, dog? Look up, please. Pay attention. She mother than me. I got me realize she mother than me. I never know say that possible. Hello. It's called Anansi man or Jamaican Spiderman. Yeah, right at the current moment, I got every parish one by one. It's the second one. I did Portland already. Well, it's really just promoting myself and my craft and the country, really, and that's it. Like showing that we still have talent here and get the reactions of people. So and say we have good vibes, people about the place. You get what I say? Yeah, we do. Come on. Cameraman, lucky in enough. Nice spot. Every time I come here, so I see jerk chicken. I never come here, so I see jerk chicken. So I can say for sure, if you come to Port Maria, you can get some chicken right after. Active. Active. I said, don't move from this one. You're right there. We active, man. Easy now. Easy now. Easy now. Easy now. Can't do that more million times. Encourage everybody to like and share, and please go subscribe to the YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is Anansi Man. I also have another TikTok page I'm trying to grow. It's called Anansi Man. Turn down massive. You don't even realize what I want. I swear we never realize. That's it. Yeah. Oh, I can't see that.
Spiderman,
Yeah, man.
Spiderman,
Is it? Yeah, man, I put my 2 cups down my yard, you know. That's enough for one day.
You go back with that.
The back flick. One back flick. Three of them. Fire up it. Active. Fire up it. Then. It's our final stop. Yeah. Which one? You want for the bike? Or you want for the bike? Me and him just chat a while ago, you know. Bossy? Yeah. Wanna move? Yeah. So, you feel like we need to do nothing. We do nothing a while ago? No, sir. Cheer up it. I can't do it to the mask. No, I can't do it. I can't do it to the mask. So I do come here, I can't see good. I can't see good. You see? 3 of them. 2 regular one, last one, 1 leg. Then like a karate kid dog. Ready? Cameraman, you ready? That's it. You feel like the joke? Easy now, man. Easy yourself, man. We don't do without the mask. We don't do it without the mask, man. Yeah, yeah. We're on live TikTok. Jamaican Spiderman or Anansi man, anyone. Yeah, you feel that? You feel that? You feel that? Time to go out of the yard. And that me feel.
How would it show?
Respect.
Respect. I am going home on the morning train. I want a little freestyle. I want to name ear cheer. See it? Up flick. And the front flick. Jamaican Spiderman. See it? I see it. Where, sir? Where, sir? Where's the sky? What's up? I'm tired of this now. I'm tired.
It's a movie killer.
No, we are shooting for YouTube vlog. See Anansi man page. Anansi man. I can do whatever I want, whenever I want. Look, nobody no business. So me just do anything, anytime, and me no business either. So follow in my footsteps. Do what you want to do anytime you want. Watch. Can't flex up. Can't lie down, sir. Can't just build. Huh? Easy. Nothing. Like I know nothing. I even feel like nothing just happened a while ago. Sometimes I forgot me in that suit, I swear. Yeah, man. Me not gone that far, McG. Me not gone that far. No, sir, me not so mad, McG. Eh? So true? Me never know. You should tell me that. You follow bus. Which way you go? Which way you go?
Black tourist.
It don't matter. Me not business. Eh? Yeah, man. Me have to go over to I go. Yeah, man. They go. Ah. Active, yeah. Come here. Run.
Spiderman in a 4 marathon and a
Yeah, man. Me I show people them on the town, you see,
Yeah,
people.
man, yeah.
Yeah, and tell them if you forward in our place, you know?
Yes, for real.
Alright. I decide in a Port Maria, you know. Next stop, St. Ann. So I'm going to St. Ann's Bay, Orchard side. Yeah? And that's the next vlog, so stay tuned.